Water pumps are one of those jobs that look simple, right up until they start leaking a week later and the comeback shows up on your schedule. Most of the time, it's not the pump, it's the install. More specifically, it's the gasket and how you treated it. Let's get one thing straight right out of the gate. Clean, flat sealing surfaces are everything. No leftover gasket material, no corrosion chunks, no scratches deep enough to catch a fingernail. If the surface isn't right, the gasket doesn't stand a chance. But here's the reality. Engines aren't always perfect, especially on higher mileage vehicles. That's where sealant paste comes into play. Sealant isn't a crutch, it's a corrective tool. If the mating surfaces have minor imperfections, light pitting, slight irregularities, a thin, even layer of sealant paste on both sides of the gasket can help fill those gaps and improve sealing. Notice I said thin. You're not icing a cake here. Too much sealant can squeeze out, contaminate the cooling system, and actually cause leaks instead of preventing them. Now let's talk gasket types, because not all of them play by the same rules. First up, traditional paper or fiber gaskets. These are the ones most likely to benefit from a light coating of sealant, especially if the surface finish isn't perfect. They don't have much forgiveness built in, so you've got to help them out. Next, conformed or molded rubber gaskets. These are designed to seal without any additional help. They've got built-in compression and flexibility. Adding sealant here, that's usually a mistake. It can cause the gasket to shift during install or prevent proper seating. O-ring styles fall into the same category. They're engineered for precision fitment. Clean surface, proper alignment, torque it down, that's it. Introducing sealant here can actually create leak paths instead of sealing them. Then you've got metal or multi-layer gaskets. These are typically found in more modern or performance applications. Again, no sealant unless the manufacturer specifically calls for it. These rely on precision clamping force and surface finish. No matter what gasket you're working with, torque matters. Uneven torque or over-tightening will distort the gasket and create leaks. Guaranteed. Follow the spec, use a pattern, take your time. Bottom line, sealant paste has its place, but it's not a universal solution. Use it when the surface condition calls for it, and only with gasket types that benefit from it. Know your gasket, know your surfaces, and install it like you don't want to see that car again for the same problem. Because in this business, comebacks aren't just annoying, they're avoidable. Thanks for watching.